Hi, I am Gwen. I am a BS Chemical Engineering student from UP Diliman. I am a SheSTEMS scholar from the Her Legacy project. I found an appreciation for the 7 habits as it rewired my thinking of we are expected to live for the benefit of other people. So it starts with being dependent, learning to be independent, and eventually coming back to interdependence. So it was taught to us as a journey, which I appreciate. And with that, the 6th habit is actually my favorite of them all, which is the synergy. So to have synergy, it is also acknowledging that we have differences, limitations, and strengths as people. So it celebrates humanity in a way that we have to work together in order to create better input. Additionally, it is also recognizing that other people also have good intentions. So we should be thinking towards a win-win interaction with other people to be able to eventually create greater change as a group of people.